If you're someone who wants to start journaling but does not know where to start, then this video is for you. I can understand that feeling when you don't know what to write on that blank piece of paper, and it can feel intimidating sometimes to start the habit of journaling. Which is why in this video I'll be sharing a coherent, logical, efficient way to journaling which does not take a lot of time in your day. This is the way I journal personally, and this is something which I've learnt along the way, putting in bits and pieces together out of what I've learnt of the internet. Basically just bits and pieces of advice from people on the internet put together. And if you're completely new to journaling, then check out a previous video I made on journaling which talks about the various benefits of journaling and writing things down in general. Journaling and the habit of writing things down helps sink in clarity in your thought and actions, and that is a beneficial practice to have on a daily basis. So now let's look into that framework of journaling. Let's start off with a habit tracker. Now I try my best to track my habits by making a habit tracker in my journal every month, which looks like so. On one side I list out all my habits, and on the other I just list out the days in the month, and I just put a dot besides the habit which I practice on any given day. This helps me keep track of my habits. That is a great thing to have in your journal. So that by itself covers the habit side of journaling. Now if I were to talk about my framework of writing in the journal on a daily basis, or simply put what I write in the journal daily, it would be something like this. Firstly, I write 3 things I'm grateful for, because that helps you practice gratitude. This is one of the best ways to practice gratitude. Why practice gratitude, you might ask? The answer to that is we humans have the tendency to complain a lot. We have the tendency to fume and fret over things. When you practice gratitude by writing things which you're grateful for, preferably in the morning, you feel that gratefulness throughout the day. It works. Just try to feel everything. Just try to feel the gratefulness or gratitude while writing it down. Don't just write it for the sake of writing it. Once you start writing things you're grateful for, you'll start noticing a change. Every day I write 3 things which I'm grateful for, and that helps me focus on one thing which I can control. And that is how I change myself. When you'll start writing things which you're grateful for, you'll stop blaming others and you'll focus on changing yourself more. I've made a video on gratitude, and if you haven't checked it out, please do so. I'll put a link to it in the description. Alright, moving on, I write a few affirmations in the journal, which could be based off of anything. It's up to you. Just write affirmations based off of what you wish for or something like that. The reason why this helps is it helps you start the day on a positive tone. And who doesn't want to feel positive, right? So after the affirmations section, next comes the section where I write whatever I feel like writing. That's as simple as that. I literally write whatever I feel like writing, and for however long I wish to write. There's nothing complicated about it. So let's move on to the next section. Next up, I write about the things which I need to keep an eye on, meaning things which could distract me on any given day. When I do this, it helps me prepare for the day in advance, kind of like a battle. That's the simple logic behind it, nothing complicated. And lastly, something which you could do which I've stopped doing is planning in your journal. I don't plan in my journal anymore because I use time blocking to plan my day, and I use Google Calendar for that. But there's no harm in using your journal to plan your day. So that sums up how I journal. Again, this is a combination of bits and pieces of what I've learned along the way, learning from the top performers of the internet. I thought of making this short and simple video to exemplify a simple framework of journaling for people who wanted to get started with journaling. I hope it helps. And if it helps, do consider subscribing to this channel and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you next week. Until then, take care.